What is lender's mortgage insurance and why do you need it and how does it work? Think of lender's mortgage insurance sort of like car insurance, except you're taking out a policy for someone else that you'll probably never ever see again. So, lender's mortgage insurance is required when you are borrowing more than 80% of the property of the value plus fees. There's a couple of lender's mortgage insurance providers out there like QBE and Helia. Each bank uses a different one, and you don't get the choice to pick which one you want to use. Essentially, what's happening is if you are borrowing over 80%, then you are required to include a lender's mortgage insurance premium to your loan amount. So that could be $10,000 or $15,000, and then that gets capitalized onto your loan amount. It's not an upfront fee that you can pay separately. This insurance premium is then added on top of your loan amount, and then you are basically paying that off as well as with the rest of the loan over the 30 years. It actually protects the lender. This insurance does not protect you. The insurance is there in case you default on your home loan and can't make the repayments, and then the lender's mortgage insurance will kick in. There is quite a lot of T's and C's that come with it. For example, the lender's mortgage insurer, if they ever had to pay out your home loan or a certain portion after the sale of your house because you defaulted, there is actually a little condition there that says that they can approach you for that figure to be paid back. Very rare, never seen that before, but there's lots of T's and C's. The great thing now is that we have lots of schemes available for people to waive lender's mortgage insurance. So there's the stock standard sort of first home buyer guarantee scheme that does waive lender's mortgage insurance for first home buyers, which is great and pretty popular. If you include that waiver with stamp duty waiver, there's people getting into the market with pretty low deposits. And the other one is there are certain professional packages or Medico packages where the banks will actually waive lender's mortgage insurance if you fall under a certain category in your employment. For example, doctors, lawyers, and some nurses even as well, pathologists, speechies. There's quite a long list. So always check to see if you do feel like you fall under that category, or your broker should check for you anyway. But if you are avoiding purchasing property and thinking that you need to wait a little bit longer so you don't have to pay lender's mortgage insurance, just check to see if you do fall under those sort of professional skills, and maybe you can get it waived.